Hello again. Welcome to the last session, session 12 of Intelligence chapter, Emotional Intelligence. Learning objectives. What is emotional intelligence? How is emotional intelligence helpful in our day-to-day living? Session outcome, understanding emotional intelligence, understanding the importance of emotional intelligence in our day-to-day life. Emotional intelligence is the awareness of and ability to manage one's own emotions as well as the ability to be self-motivated, to feel what others feel and to be socially skilled. The concept of emotional intelligence was first introduced by Salvoli and Mayer in 1990 and later expanded upon by Goleman in 1995. Goleman proposed that emotional intelligence is a more powerful influence on success in life than more traditional views of intelligence. One who is emotionally intelligent possesses self-control of emotions such as anger, impulsiveness, and anxiety. Empathy, the ability to understand what others feel, is also a component, as are an awareness of one's own emotions, sensitivity, persistence, even in the face of frustrations, and the ability to motivate oneself. In one study, researchers asked 321 participants to read passages written by non-participants and try to guess what the non-participants were feeling while they were writing. The assumption was that people who were good at connecting thoughts to feelings would also have a high degree of empathy and emotional intelligence. The participants who more correctly judged the writer's emotional experiences scored higher on the empathy measure and lower on the defensiveness measure. Some participants also had higher SAT scores, leading to conclude not only that emotional intelligence is a valid and measurable concept, but also that general intelligence and emotional intelligence may be related. Those who are high in emotional intelligence are also smarter in the traditional sense. Components of emotional intelligence. 5 major components of emotional intelligence are knowing our own emotions, managing our emotions, motivating ourselves, recognizing the emotions of others, and handling relationships. Session summary. Emotional intelligence, emotional quotient, and emotional intelligence quotient is the capability of individuals to recognize their own emotions and those of others, discern between different feelings and label them appropriately, use emotional information to guide thinking and behavior, and manage and or adjust emotions to adapt to environments or achieve one's goals. Although the term first appeared in 1964, it gained popularity in the 1995 book Emotional Intelligence, written by the science journalist Daniel Goleman. There are 5 major components of emotional intelligence which are very important in managing our emotions and maintaining a good relationship.